we got some spectators. Yo, she flipped you off. That bum over there. Accident.
Dude, it's so hard to drift.
Dude, I could tell. Alright, let me get out. Brand new tires. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Brand new tires. Second gear? Damn. I hope that you're not good. Hopefully that works. I'm ready.
Yeah, way too much.
Sure.
Way too much.
We're good, we're good. We just got done with his. I might go try it like a roundabout real quick. But yeah, we'll see.
Chill, big boy. We're about to hydroplane. Alright, and then we can cut it to the roundabout.
Alright. Alright, this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be tail. It's gonna get bad, bro. Yo. Beautiful, bro.
Oh yeah, now do portrait.
Okay, yeah, I got you.
hold it open. Hold on. All right, now we're in the trunk. I'm holding on like this, hoping the window thing doesn't go down on me. All right. There it is. Yeah. Oh.
I be inside or outside?
Inside. Josh.
Let's go, boy.
Yo, it's like raining in the zone. Okay.
Oh, yo, unlock the truck. Wait, we're going again?
Yeah, parchment.
Meaty one in there. In the diffuser.
Oh, okay. I'll just slam the brakes. Let's go.
There's nothing.
Carrying the video. My phone's wet, but damn.
What was what?
Anyway, that's about it. We couldn't get too much in, but well, me mainly. Igor got quite a bit in. It's pretty nice right now, so I might clip farm real quick. But yeah,